All right, let's get your phone connected to your new Meshtastic node. It's super easy.
Yeah, think of it this way. Your phone becomes the command center for that powerful little radio.
And how do they talk to each other? With something you use every day, Bluetooth. So let's do this. This is a simple, one-time setup that'll get you on the mesh.
First things first, just open the app, make sure Bluetooth is on, and select your device. Now this next part is all about security. It's like a digital handshake just for you. Your phone's gonna ask for a PIN. Just look over at your radio screen for it, pop in that 6-digit PIN you see, and boom, your connection is now totally secure. So, you're connected. Now, who are you going to be on the mesh network? In the app, you'll set a username. This is basically your call sign, your network ID. Something simple like this is perfect. Now everyone knows exactly who you are on the mesh.
But what if it doesn't work right away? Hey, don't worry, the fixes are really simple.
Most of the time, just check the app's permissions or, turn it off and on again. And that's it. You're in. Your phone is now your gateway to this amazing off-grid tool.
So you're all set to explore off-grid messaging. The real question is, what'll you do first?